Oh, hold. I'll just wash my hands. I think we still have some more time before the sun sets, so let's go. Okay. Well, come on, Sam. Let's go up. This is my little piano corner. That's the little cat. I got this cat when I went to Japan. It's supposed to be a lucky cat. Isn't that cute? It's a cute cat. இப்போ நாங்க மொட்டை மாடிக்கு போகிறோம். Oh, this is the window where we shot the Girl Next Door series. That's where Sundar used to stand and take the pictures.
That one?
Yeah, that one. Long distance shoots. Oh, wow. Oh my God, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oof. I'm going to take a picture of that. What do we do? Oh, we have to take. The nicest thing about this lockdown has been coming up to my terrace and enjoying the sunset. And I know the tiles are dirty. Lots of you have commented on it, but to be dirty. சரி இப்போ பாடலாமா ஒரு பாட்டு? இன்னைக்கு என்ன பாட்டு பாடலாம்? Any requests? இல்லைன்னா நான் ஒரு இங்கிலீஷ் பாட்டு பாடுறேன். And the dreams that you dare to dream, there you'll find me. இதுவரையா? Okay. இதுவரை இல்லாத உணர்வது இதயத்தில் உண்டான கனவிது பழித்திடும் அந்நாளை தேடிடும் பாடல் கேட்டாயோ மூடாமல் மூடது தேடாமல் தேடி கிடைத்தது எங்கே மூடாமல் மூடி மறைத்தது தானாக பூத்து வருகிறது தேடாமல் தேடி கிடைத்தது எங்கே இங்கே ஒரு இன்பம் வந்து நிறைய இப்போது என் உண்மை நிலை அறிய தாங்காமலும் தூங்காமலும் நாள் செல்லுதே இல்லாமலே நித்தம் வரும் கனவு கொல்லாமல் கொல்ல சுகம் என்னென்று சொல்ல நீ துணை வர வேண்டும் நீண்ட வழி என் பயணம் ஓ பியர் பாட்டிலா பியர் பாட்டில் வச்சிருக்கீங்க எங்க பியர் பாட்டில் வச்சிருக்கேன் கவர்ந்த பாட்டிகளை நரை நரை கிழிக்கும் Zorro who's a hero காக்க வந்த வாதியாரோ தாக்க வந்த பாட்டிகளை நரை நரை கிழிக்கும் Zorro. தமிழ்ல நீங்க இப்போ கேட்டீங்கன்னா விஜய் is my favorite actor. Master level, after working with him on Master, I really like Vijay. He's a super cool guy and very easy to work with. இதுவரை இல்லாத உணர்வது இதயத்தில் உண்டான கனவிது பழித்திடும் அந்நாளை தேடிடும் பாடல் கேட்டாயோ. Today we're listening to Aretha Franklin. Aretha Franklin is the mood of the day music-wise. And we're baking the world's best brownie. I kid you not, I found this claim on the recipe, and I thought, okay, who are they kidding? Nobody makes the world's best brownie, but they do. And I managed to make it even better by tweaking, bringing little tips. I studied, I think, 10 brownie recipes before I finally zeroed in on this one, and I picked out 2 or 3 tips from other good recipes and kind of blended it all in together to make it the best brownie recipe ever. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with some really nice high quality cocoa powder. Now I like my brownie dark and intense, so I've used a blend of if you can see here, it's 2 kinds of cocoa powder. It's a blend of rich dark. Can you see the color difference? There's some special dark, extra dark cocoa powder, and that's just regular cocoa powder. So it's 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons on top of that. So that's all the cocoa powder we have in here. And but yeah, these are the clams. Look at that, it's become really nice and thick, isn't it? Yummy. இப்போ வந்து we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla syrup. Can you see if the teaspoon is around there? It's missing. Okay, never mind. Well, we can always just use a cap. So, oh, I think that's too much. So it's just a little vanilla essence. இது எங்க அம்மா கொடுத்தாங்க என்கிட்ட. When I decided to start baking, she gave me this, and it's almost over. So that means I've been baking a lot. So much. Oh, yesterday I made mango ice cream. எங்க அம்மா வந்து some 3 fat mangoes, but slightly overripe. So now I cut பண்ணிட்டு I googled a nice recipe to make mango ice cream, and I made the ice cream, and it's in my freezer. And if it's looking good, we shall taste it while the brownie is in the oven.
Okay, somebody's asking, is vanilla essence similar to vanilla syrup?
No, it's not the same thing. Vanilla syrup is probably got sugar and use it in your coffees, but vanilla essence is just the essence of the vanilla bean. I also have vanilla beans, but we can't really put that in here, so we just use the vanilla syrup. Ipo, we've come to the end of it. You just have to add the flour. It's just, so, you know why I love this brownie? Because it's only half a cup of flour. That's it. So this is the only brownie recipe I came across where there's more chocolate than flour. Isn't that amazing? So imagine how chocolatey that brownie is gonna be. And then we have one more secret ingredient, guys. One more secret ingredient. So I read somewhere that adding a bit of coffee powder, which is also one of my favorite things, adding a bit of not just coffee but espresso powder to the brownie really enhances the flavor. You guys could smell over and stuff because it smells really good in here. This is my toothpick. Okay. Wow. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Ooh la la. Okay, this is the toothpick test. We have to put the toothpick to see if it's done. Yep, that's done. Ooh, it's a clean toothpick, so it's done. Excellent work. Excellent work. Okay, well. Okay, guys, that's round 2 of the Bake and Sing. We have this delicious brownie. We're going to take amazing pictures of the brownie and post it on Insta along with the recipe. And thank you all for joining. Hope you guys enjoyed the concert with the hairbrush mic. Okay, lots of love. Bye.